see integrity systems as being an important link between producers and consumers and our end users. It provides a link from on-farm information through to the actual provenance of product wherever it's sold throughout the world.
I think it's really important to be up to date with what industry needs, what our consumers are telling us, and so we need to meet those requirements.
Well, it underpins everything that we do. We've got to remember that no matter where we are in Australia, we're producing food, and Integrity Systems is the documentation that underpins the food safety.
The ability to capture records electronically and store those records provides some real advantages. Whether you're audited, whether you're demonstrating to customers, the ability to do that through that data is going to be a driving force going forward.
Our vision is to broaden our end-to-end supply chain, taking Australian produced and processed red meat, distributing to our global markets direct to consumer.
What's really important to us is that we produce a top quality beef product by providing care for our animals, the people that work for us, and the environment we work in.
We have a real focus on innovation and technology. We want to be able to give our clients and their producers the best feedback possible so they can make better decisions within their business and on farm.
Our markets are increasingly asking for traceability systems, for provenance stories. How is the beef produced? Where is it produced?
To make sure that customers who want to know more about where their food comes from and want to have more information and be assured that they're purchasing a quality product to ensure that we deliver that day in, day out.
So whether that's part of NLIS or LPA or the NVD system, it's the system that underpins everything.
We've led the way in that throughout the world, and for us to continue to be leaders in this area, we just need to continue to make sure that we're meeting what our consumer wants, because we are supplying food.
In the event of a disease incursion or a food safety incident, we can quickly access those records and make better decision-making processes about defending Queensland from economic pests and diseases or food safety scares.
NLIS, ENVDs, LPA, those three systems underpin our market access, both domestic and our export markets. So they're vital, not just to keep access to our current markets, but for access to new markets.
The entire value behind our brand and the provenance of those brands has to be supported by security and traceability that's underpinned by an industry and government-backed system.
So at GMP, we're implementing Livestock Data Link, and this is a platform that we can use for both our clients and their producers to ensure that they can analyse feedback that's coming out of our processing plant and be able to drive value out of that feedback, making changes within their business or on their farm to ensure that they're gaining value.
We see integrity systems being an integral part of our business to ensure the flow of information from producers through to consumers, and whether those consumers are in Asia, America, or wherever they may be over the world.
Data and tech for a business like ours is absolutely critical. We're a grain of sand on the beach compared to the big processors, and we need to be nimble and efficient and use data to our benefit to be able to survive in the current environment.
Information flow as we move forward is going to be more and more important to our business, to be able to give quality feedback through to producers to help them improve their business.
In 2025, I would hope that anyone that was going to a sale yard would be able to scan a pen of sheep, for example, and get all of their animal health data, what they've been fed, what they've been injected with, what their animal health issues. Simply, that's an everyday occurrence.
Currently, our customers have an immediate demand for improved data and security around our integrity systems, and I think within the next 10 years they're expecting something far more robust, but I think we're moving with the times.
Real-time transfer of data through the integrity systems will be the most important thing in the future for the red meat industry.